Hi everyone, my name is Odao Cosmos, the founder of website school.xyz. Today I'll be showing you how to create and design your home page. After watching this video to the end, you'll be able to learn two ways to create a home page. Before we start, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. First, we'll start by logging into uh, WordPress website, which is a website school.xyz. Now, if you look, website is still new and also there is no home page in it where our users, when they log in, can be able to access or see various things or pages being linked to on my site. So today I'll be showing you how you can be able to create a home page. First, log into the back end. This is our back end, and then go to pages, and then click on add new. We will be adding a home page to our site. You watch carefully as I'll be showing you. Please, if you haven't subscribed my channel, do that now. Let's type in home here to be our title. This is what we want to name our page, and then come to the page attributes, go to the template and click on Elementor Canva. Scroll down to the Ocean WP settings and then click on full width. Then you save draft, click on published. You can see home is now live. Now let's edit with Elementor. Remember, Elementor is a page builder. If you would like to know how to install Elementor to your WordPress website, you can check the description below so you see or watch my video on how I will showing you how you can install Elementor to your WordPress website. Now we are in the Elementor section and would like to create this page. There are two ways. Either you do it manually, whereby you add a new section. Let's say, for instance, you want to add this. Click on stretch section, yes, and then let's say we would like to name this to be home. Come here and click on home and move this to the center. Update. Also, if you want to add another section, you add, and so on and so forth. But this way will actually take us a longer period. I'm going to be showing you a faster way. Come here and add template. You see already made pages where you can which you can insert and edit. And let's insert this and wait for it while it loads. Remember to stretch section. This is an already made page. Now let's edit this. All we need to do is to edit this page. I'll say, hi, welcome to my website. Now I like to change the color of this. All you need to do is go to style, click on text color, and then let me make this go with red, and then click on update. Now while making these changes, endeavor that you visit the tablet view and look if it's okay, and also the mobile view. 60 to 70% of visitors you have on your website are actually from mobile. You see it's big. All we need to do is to reduce this size. Let's get back to our style, and then topography. We come here, and I like to make this to be I think 20 will be okay, and then you click update. Reason why we are doing this is that someone visiting our site will be able to read our content. It will be legible enough, you understand, for one to be able to read and understand and see clearly. So basically you can edit this section also. And let's go back to the desktop view. Now you scroll and edit all these sites to what you would like to put there. If you don't like this particular section, you can also delete this. Now after editing the page, click on update. Now let's go to our website, and let's go to the search bar and click on home. Now we have this. Click on continue reading. You see our page is now live. Now, but we wouldn't like our visitors to be searching. Maybe somebody who is just logging into your website don't know that you have a home page. And let's go to our dashboard to set it so that when a visitor logs into our website, he or she will, the first thing he or she is going to see will be our home page. Let's cancel this and wait for our dashboard to log, and then go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now go to settings and then reading. You see your home page display. We have your latest post, but that is not what we want. We want our home page, our home, to be able to display on our home page display. Now click on this static page and then select your home. Select home. Come here. Save changes so that when our visitors visit our site, they'll be able to access this. Now let's go to our site and then refresh and wait for it while it's refresh and wait for it while refresh. As you can see, our homepage is now at as our display page. So this is how you can be able to create and design your homepage. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get notification when I post a new video.